You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary from medicine, anatomy, medical terms, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Cingulate is how it's pronounced. So sing, just like sing to sing. Lit. Alright, so it's not cingulate. The spelling is late, but it's just lit at the end. The stress is on the sing syllable. Cingulate, as in the cingulate cortex, which is a brain structure. Cingulate gyrus. Is it gyrus? I'll have a video for you to clarify it. This one is cingulate. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.